What up, party peeps? Welcome to the fam. With me, Jackie. What up, fam? It's Jackie here. Just getting ready to do my hair. As you can see, it is really, really faded and it looks terrible. So, what I'm going to be doing is trying this color from a box kit, which I normally don't do. I think I've talked about this before. I normally go to Sally Beauty and get like color from the tubes, but because I cannot apply any more bleach to my hair, I need something that's going to kind of go over what I have without having to bleach it. So that's why I kind of made the executive decision to try this kit out and see if it works, see if it's worth anything. So I'm just going to kind of show you what product I have. So this is the kit that I have. I have really long, thick hair, so I need 2 boxes usually anytime I do a box kit. So it is the Got To Be line. New. It's a new line. I've never seen these before, so it looks really, really pretty. It is in blue Mercury. Really pretty color. I figured it'd be dark enough to kind of go over this madness that I've got going on here. Anyway, it says selfie ready with metallics. Say goodbye to boring colors. Head turning radiance and color that lasts. So we'll see about that. These are the results that it's showing. So it's showing that you can do it on like blonde hair, light brown hair, and darker hair. So I figured with those different hair colors starting off that I would be able to apply it over this madness that is my hair. So I am going to, I have not washed my hair. It's actually very nappy from all the product that's in it. I'm actually going to brush it out and get everything set up, and then I'm going to come back and kind of go through the standard directions with you guys, and then I'm going to, I guess, start coloring. So I'm in the bathroom and I am getting ready to do the next step. So just to show you the contents of this box, each box comes with applicator bottle with developer lotion. So you get one of these. It comes with your color cream. That's, I'm guessing, what you put into the bottle. It comes with color after treatment. Okay. And then we've also got, I'm guessing these are the gloves. So I'm going to go ahead. I've already read the directions. Basically, if you've never colored your hair before, I mean, it's very simple. I'm going to have to brush out my hair. I'm going to start at the roots, and I'm going to apply it to the top, to my roots, and then I'm going to work my way down to the ends. And then you're going to leave it on for 30 minutes. And because we're doing a whole head application, I want to leave it on max because I want to make sure that it really like covers this craziness here. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get that going. So bear with me. I've got you on my thing. So we're going to take this and we are going to squeeze that into, we'll get the other one going because we have 2 boxes for moi. Now tomorrow what I'm going to be doing is I am actually going to be weighing in. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing in terms of working on losing some weight. So I will fill you in on that tomorrow when I record my video. But we're gonna do the weigh-in. So I'm not looking forward to that. So I'm gonna show you guys all how much I weigh, take pictures, before pictures, measure myself, all that good stuff because I gotta hold myself accountable. So we are gonna shake these up. Very good. I'm gonna do the other one. I like to wait to let it develop a little bit because I like to see where I've already applied it. Now it does say that it's going to stain, so I'm not looking forward to that. With that being said, that is exactly why I took my new glasses off. I did not want the hair dye to stain my new glasses. So we're just gonna shake both of them now. All right, I think that's good. We'll see. All right, so let's let's get this going. So I'm gonna brush out my hair, get out these gloves, and I will start applying the mixture. Now I'm not gonna record me doing the whole process because I do not, I'm not gonna be able to hold the camera and get in on, get angles in on that and, do this at the same time. So I'll probably just start it and then come back once I've got it all on my head and show you guys what that looks like. Let me brush my hair out, because my hair, let me tell y'all, it is very, 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 it's gonna look crazy. You're gonna see how crazy this is gonna look once it's all completely brushed out. Alright, I think that's going to work. So I brushed out all my curls. There we go. Let's see what we look like. Ooh, beautiful. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying this to the top of my hair. So, as you can see, I want to start off at my roots. And I just kind of do that. I like to go around my face and frame my face. So I like to make sure that my roots are covered. So let's see. I'm going to go around. And you can use petroleum jelly. I'm not doing that. I've gotten lazy. When I was dyeing my hair black, I would use petroleum jelly on my face. But it's just a lot of work and I don't want to do it. So, but it does say that it will stain your skin. I'm not super concerned with it staining my skin. If it does, whatever. If my skin's dyed a little bit blue or purple or whatever color you want to call this, midnight amethyst, if it's dyed that color for a couple of days, then whatever. I wore black because in clothes that I did not care if I got stuff on. And I like to make sure I heavily saturate around my crown as well, because my hair is just so thick. I just don't want it to not completely cover everywhere. And you just start taking sections like that, like so. That's what I do. I just use the tip of the bottle, take sections, and apply. You don't want to end up having patches of your roots where you didn't get the roots because you didn't see it because it's in the back. That's where I just take it, put it up against my scalp to the areas where I can't really see, and I just squirt a little bit in there and kind of move it around and stuff. Alright, so I make sure I gotta get my little hairs here. We don't want that to look weird. Now that I've done the one side of my hair, I can now move on to the other side. And again, I'm just gonna repeat the same thing. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish doing this and then I will be back once I've completely saturated all my hair, and I'm gonna pull it up onto my head. What I like to do is I like to take a trash bag, tie it around my head. Number one, it's going to help hold the heat in there. But then number two, it's also going to be nice because then you're not going to worry about your hair falling down all over the place and getting the dye on things. So I'll be back in just a little bit once I've got all this done. Alright guys, I've got everything applied to my hair, and I actually am very pleased with the amount of coverage those two bottles. A lot of kits that I use, the ones that I've used in the past, I really feel like I'm really trying to make every last drop count, whereas this, I feel like it really coated my hair and I had a lot left over, so I just squeezed everything on to get it nice and coated. I had some, because I don't wear a towel, I'm terrible, it's just one thing in the extra thing in the way, so I just wear black clothing or a t-shirt that I don't care if my hair falls on, just because it's just it's just way easier than trying to maintain a towel and stuff like that. So anyway, but yeah, I got hair that flicked me in my face, all over my neck. I did take I took a towel that I don't mind if got stained or whatever. Took a towel, ran it under warm water, and kind of cleaned up my face a little bit because it was kind of everywhere. It was all over my neck and my chest from where my hair, my shoulders where it had hit, so I didn't want it to really stain that bad. So I went ahead and wiped that off. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this down for a second. So I've got clips, or a clip. That's what I use. These are I think I got them Sally Beauty, maybe $2 or the dollar store or Walmart or something. take the bag, put over my head like this, and I twist, and then I twist it. I don't know if you can see that, and then I just clip it in the back. And that way it'll keep, you know, my hair from getting all over everything. So here in 30 minutes, I'm going to time it, and then I'm going to rinse it out and show you guys how it turned out. I just got done washing out all the color out of my hair. I now have in the leave-in treatment on, so I put both packets that I got in both boxes on my hair because I like my hair to feel really, really good. So anyways, I put both of them on my hair, and I can tell you, I can already see, I mean, it's definitely already a world better than what it was, but I will say my hair did not come out quite like exactly what I was hoping for, just because I guess just with when you have different, you know, colors on your hair, and then you apply, you know, a different color of some sort, you really never know how your hair is going to turn out. So I was impressed with the top portion. I actually kind of like at the bottom. I won't really know until I like let it dry or, you know, straighten it or blow dry it, but it actually kind of, the ends kind of almost look like an ombre, almost like this midnight, like amethyst blue or whatever, midnight blue, fading into almost like a grayish color. So it's really, really weird that the ends of my hair, and when I take this off and I brush my hair out and kind of show you the results, you'll kind of know more what I'm talking about. But it was really weird because I actually thought that I was going to have a harder time with the top, you know, the top section here. I thought that was going to be harder for me to cover, but down, it was actually more down towards where that heel was, that it just did not hold that midnight blue at all. I'm excited to see what it looks like, and let's just pray that I actually have hair when we're done with this process. So I'll be back once I've let this set. I'm going to leave this on my hair for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse that out, and then once I rinse that out, I will show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I just took my my hair down. You can see what I'm saying about how it looks gray on the tips, which I don't dislike. I mean, of course, that's not the results that I was looking for, but I actually really like that. I think that's actually pretty cool. So anyway, my hair is very damaged though from having to do like applying stuff onto my hair so soon, but there isn't really much else I could do. My hair was just, it looked really bad. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, instead of rinsing this conditioner out, I'm going to leave it in and just leave it in overnight. I condition my hair a lot. I'm just going to try not to do any heat on it. So I'm actually going to hold off on straightening it tonight. I'm going to, you know, just wash my hair tomorrow, apply some leave-in treatments, and just see what we look like once it dries. If it looks, if it looks like it's going to damage my hair way too much by straightening it, I'm probably gonna have to hold off on that for a while. But all in all, I mean, the up at the top, it's very vibrant. It's very pretty. I know the lighting in here is probably not that great, but it is. Like, I actually really like what I've got here. I actually really like that it looks kind of gray. Like, I mean, like, I wasn't expecting it to look exactly like the box because of the fact of all the different colors that I had on there. And I know that, like I said before, when you do these crazy colors on your hair and then you put another color on top, it's not always gonna come out, you know, how you expect it to look. But I do really like the color up top. I think it's really pretty, and I love that it fades down into almost like a gray. So I have to say, I am very pleased with how my hair looks, and it is, I mean, it really, compared to what it was before, I mean, honestly, it could only go up from what it looked like before. I mean, it looked just absolutely terrible before. So I'm actually quite pleased with how things look. So I'll let you know how it holds up over the course of the next few days. If I notice anything weird, I'll definitely make sure to point it out. And anyway, thank you for tuning in. I will probably have my hair styled tomorrow so you can actually see the actual results and how it looked. But all in all, very good price product. It was $10 a box roughly, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I hope you guys have a great day, and peace out, fam. Oh, there's Marshall. What are you gonna say? Peace out, fam?
Peace out, fam.
Peace out, fam.
Stay tuned for our next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.